guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Studio Fancy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use selection tools in Adobe Illustrator. So, this video is most useful for beginners who use Illustrator. Let's move to the video. This is a select tool. Using this tool, you can select, move, or resize object, path, or group of object. The second one is direct selection tool. Using this tool, you can select anchor points and path segments to reshape objects. The third one is group selection tool. Using this tool, you can select an object within a group or a group of objects within a parent group. Next one is magic wand tool. Using this tool, you can select objects that share in same color or opacity. Next one is lasso tool. Using this tool, you can drag to draw a shape around the elements that you want to select. The last one is artboard tool. Using this tool, you can select, create, and adjust artboards on the canvas. So those are the all selection tool in Adobe Illustrator. I think this video is most useful for you. Hit that like button and subscribe our channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.